So as you can imagine, I wish I knew about the group earlier, as I've said. Hey guys, good morning. It's Ndunde. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, karibu sana. So this is going to be a business vlog, and I'm doing this because I have seen that you enjoy these vlogs so much, and kuna karao hapa mbele yangu. He's gone. Anyway, I do this vlog because I can see, or I have seen that you enjoy them so much. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it. So I'm from the shipping company that I ship with, together with my husband. We were there to collect some goods that arrived yesterday, and I haven't actually told people in the group, but that's not because I don't want them to know, but I wanted to make sure that I know exactly before I tell them. So I went and cleared, and I'm headed to town. So I'm in Nyayo, Saizi. I'm going in town to the shop to take the goods there, and then take a picture and show guys so that they can come and clear. They've already paid for the buying price, which is 1600, and now they are remaining with 1950 to clear. So that's that. So and then when I was there, they've given us some very nice gifts. They do this mostly when it's New Year's. They give presents to guys. I'm about to show you in a bit, but there's a lot of traffic here, so I have to stop and then I show you what they've given us, which is very thoughtful of them, honestly, because they do not have to. We need them, they need us, but either way, a very nice gift is a way to keep you, if I would say so. So they've given us a diary and a pen. So we've stopped again. We are not moving. So this is the diary they've given to us. This is how the pages look on the inside, which is really good when you're planning your year. Yeah, plus the 2023 calendar, it's right there. And then they've also given us a biro, which is here with their logo on the diary. So yeah, and on the front page, this is how it looks. It's actually customized to what they wanted, with a kitenge-ish kind of a thing. And this is this will really come in handy, considering I had already bought a few, about 3 for the business, because I need to take down every note. As you can see, I do have so many messages, and all these messages, it's for guys who are ordering things that I haven't replied to. Guys, they are over 50 messages. Sorry, over 50 messages that I haven't replied to. Zote. So I need to also go and sit down somewhere and then take down all this. I had to leave the house as well because I didn't know who would take them to me, for me in town, because hubby is working. And yeah, it was either I take a cab, and guys, I don't like when guys, I have to ask for money from guys to pay extra for them, for these boxes to be brought to town. So I prefer taking them myself, which is why I would also love to rest a bit and not be the one going to take, because it's tiring at times. Because I have, after this, I have to go and unpack them. I have to write down each and every person who has them. So yeah, so I'm calling my assistant in town to check for me this parking. This is at the Boys Road, because every time I've been going there to park, there has been no parking, well, most of the time. Hey, good morning. Unaweza niangalilia kama kuna parking, please? so they might be packing. So I'm almost there. I am almost there, and it's 3 boxes of the dish racks. They are very nice. I think I'll put a picture here so you can see. They are really nice. The market price here in Kenya, they go for around 4,000. Well, they're about 4,000, 4,500, 5,000, because mine I bought at 5,500. 5,500, paid 5,300. So as you can imagine, I wish I knew about the group earlier, as I've said, because, or I wish I would have started the group earlier, because it would have saved me a lot of money. We are all about saving this 2023. And I've also gotten questions about shipping from China. Now, when you want to start shipping from China, you must first of all have contacts there where you can get your products from. And then now, if you have the contacts already, you can now send the supplier the contact of the shipping agent that you want to use. You just send them directly, and then they will send you goods there after you have already cleared with them, paid them and all. And then they send the parcel to the warehouse that you use, and then afterwards, now the shipping agents take up the whole process of shipping the goods from now China to Kenya. And then when they get here in Kenya, you go and clear, or you can send someone if you have the time. If you don't want to pay for the transport fees like me, you just take yourself. If you have the money and everything, it makes work easier if you just send someone, a taxi, and you can just also ask the agent that you use to send someone for you, but you will pay them. So if you use that route, I find it more costly. I find it more costly because they don't know you, so it's best to just take yourself there. But now again, if you get to work with someone for a long time, there's that relationship that you have, so they may give you a better rate than it already is. I don't know, but that's just me. So I prefer going there myself because I get to save. Besides, I'll still come to town, so fuel is still the same fuel I would have used to get the goods. It's the same fuel I would still get to come to town with. So that's why I prefer bringing the goods myself. I just get from the house kind of an hour late than I would normally do, because they open the warehouses at around 7. So now if I left the house earlier, maybe at 6, they wouldn't be open. So yeah, I prefer just going there myself and collecting the goods myself. It's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Same thing. So that's why I prefer taking the goods myself. And that's how you basically ship from China. It's actually not that difficult. Someone else also asked me about the tariffs that have to be paid, like paying KRA. You do not pay KRA in this case. Well, the shipping agents do, but for you, because now they have consolidated the goods for you. Now consolidation basically means having now that person shipping goods for so many people all at once in the same container. That's consolidation. From the way I understand, that's actually way cheaper than shipping them yourself alone. But if you have people who can do that for you, it's better. You just use those consolidating agents. Now those are the shipping companies that we use to ship goods from. KRA is usually or mainly paid by people who are bringing goods from or who travel with those goods, and mostly in the airports. When you're going to leave the airport after you have traveled, they have to check your bags, and then now if there are goods that are for business, they charge you a whopping a crazy amount at the airports because you've traveled with some goods for business. They assume those goods will come and get rich overnight, so they charge you a lot of money for that. And this has happened to us actually. not just from me, but even members in my family, my sisters and all, traveling with goods. So you have to use some lies here and there that the goods are either for weddings or it's presents that you've gotten people, but they also don't budge that easily, so you have to be really careful. I'm almost there. Just, yeah, this is Dubai. I've been told there is one parking down there. That's what I'm going to see if I can get. Okay, so here are the boxes. There are 3 this time round, and one box has been opened. So same as usual, pretty big box. And in every box it's 6 pieces. So yeah, that's how it is. So as usual, 3 rack. I got about 18 guys who ordered this, and scissors. So unboxing it with you so you can see how it looks. Same as the other ones, and actually these ones have taken 30 days exactly since they were delivered in the warehouse. Some have taken longer, but yeah, this is what we have here. Same things. How was it? Okay, this one was on top. So yeah, now it's me taking pictures and then showing guys that they have arrived, so that they can come and clear. So I hope you've liked and enjoyed this video. If you haven't liked already, please do comment, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Cheers.